Hi friends, just like other subjects, this is a detailed analysis of compiler design and the distribution of marks that we have seen in the last almost 10 years across various topics, right? So first and foremost, please note that in the year 2021, a few topics were explicitly called out as part of the syllabus for compiler design. If you see the syllabus earlier, right? The concepts like intermediate code generation, local optimization, and data flow analysis were not listed explicitly as topics, while they got added explicitly as topics only in the year 2021. That's why even if you see the total marks, right? If you observe the total marks from the year 2021, we had two sets of question papers. We have seen significantly more marks, like 7 to 8 marks, as compared to the previous years where we have seen typically between approximately 4 to 5 marks, sometimes even 3 marks, right? So the importance that is given to compiler design has increased as far as 2021 paper is concerned. And if the syllabus also stays the same in the future with explicitly calling out intermediate code generation, local optimization, and data flow analysis, we can expect 6 to 8 marks in the future also from compiler design, which makes it a very, very scoring subject because most of the questions in compiler design are easy if you know the concepts well. Right? So let's go again. This whole sheet will be available in the description section. This is a Google sheet. You can access it. You can look at all of these data points. So let's go through each of the concepts step by step, right? So if you notice, almost everything is colored in green with slightly different shades of green. For example, if you look at all these concepts like the basics of what is a compiler, how does a compiler work at a high level, lexical analysis, parsing, syntax-directed translation, symbol tables, runtime environments, most of them are easy concepts, right? Most of them. This is where we always used to get a bunch of marks or a bulk of our marks, right? Even last year in the year 2021, based on the set that you either got 3 marks or 5 marks from it. In the previous year, all the 4 to 5 marks used to come from just these topics with one odd question from other topics, okay? Now, the important thing here is from all these topics, the best part about compiler design is if you know the concepts, if you know how to build an LR0 parser, SLR1 parser, LALR parser, LL1 parser, if you know these concepts, it is extremely scoring. You just have to follow the steps religiously and very carefully. You will get full marks in compiler design, right? So amongst all these concepts, the only topic where students typically commit mistakes, again, I've highlighted this in orange, not because these are hard concepts. If you know how to build parsers, right? If you know the algorithm, if you know the steps, and if you're careful about it, you can get full marks in parsing also. But sometimes what we've seen students do is for concepts like building an LR0 parser or building the whole table, the parse table, etc. for SLR1 or LALR1 and things like that, students commit mistakes. That's why we have highlighted specifically in orange because students commit mistakes. And sometimes, again, these questions are easy. These are not hard. These are not even tricky. They're mostly easy. Sometimes they could be lengthy. And why could they be lengthy? Because you might have to go step by step and be careful about it, right? So most of compiler design, the 7 to 8 marks that we are seeing in compiler design, you can easily score 6 to 8 marks, like easily in this, if you know the steps, right? So again, you can see the whole distribution here. Now coming to intermediate code generation, this and intermediate code generation, local optimization, and also data flow analysis, these concepts only got added last year explicitly. While you might see some questions from these topics in the earlier years, it was only last year that they were clearly called out. For example, in last year, we saw 2 marks, right? From the basic blocks, the basic blocks that are part of data flow analysis and intermediate code generation. While in one of the sets, we have even seen 5 marks from these new topics that got added. So the reason we have colored this in a slightly different green is because the questions that we've seen till now, historically, one odd question that came, or the questions that we've seen in 2021, most of them are easy, but we have less data right now. We cannot be confident that we will only see easy questions from these topics. Once we see questions for at least 3-4 years, then we can be more confident that yes, the questions from here also will tend to be easy. Remember that the concepts themselves in data flow analysis, in code optimization or intermediate code generation, they're actually fairly simple. If you know the concept, you can solve most of the questions. That's the reason we have colored it in a slightly different green color, right? Again, if you know the concepts, the most important thing about compiler design is if you know the concepts, if you have practiced enough problems, you don't have to be a brilliant problem solver to get almost full marks in compiler design, right? Again, there are some key points that we have mentioned here. Again, you typically get a good chunk of marks from parsing, whether it's LL1 parsers, all sorts of parsers, right? About how do you compute first and follow of various symbols, right? Simple concepts, right? Again, we have seen some questions last year from syntax directed translation, and you could expect more questions in the future question papers. Again, from code optimization also, because code optimization and data flow analysis, these concepts got added only last year. They might give enough importance to them in the years to come, right? Again, all these concepts have been covered with lots of examples in our course videos, lots of practice problem. We're also doing these interactive problem solving sessions nowadays. You'll see that most of the questions from compiler design are easy if you're careful, if you follow the steps religiously. Except for how do you construct some of these parsers, everything else is more or less straightforward, right? So all the best in your preparation for compiler design. Again, this whole sheet itself is available. If you just go to the description section, you'll find this whole sheet available. Just do your own analysis on top of it. In a nutshell, you can easily score 90+% of marks in compiler design if you just know the steps. It's as simple as that.